Hey guys, what is going on? So today I repaired my friend's iPhone 7, and as you can see, I took the old screen off. It wouldn't light up or anything. It wasn't cracked, but it just had a dead backlight or something. But yeah, it looked like this before I started the repair because I'd already taken the old screen off. Also, please don't use this as a tutorial. This was my first iPhone 7 repair. I made mistakes throughout, which if you're a repair guy, you will notice the mistakes. Anyways, that's enough talking. Let's get right into the video. Hope you enjoy. First thing I did here was test the iFixit screen because I thought there might be board damage, but thankfully I connected the screen, and as you can see here, the phone turned on normally. I then went ahead and took the screen off and started swapping the Touch ID sensor from the previous screen. I did take a lot of time with the Touch ID sensor as only Apple can replace it, so if you screw it up, you're in trouble. I then began to put it in the new screen, and it took a very long time because the connection I had to connect it to on the screen wasn't perfectly lined up with the Touch ID sensor, and of course, you should never try to force a connection. So this took me about, 15 minutes until I could finally get it connected. That was a pain. I then went to put the shield on, and if you are a repair guy and you're watching closely, you realize I screwed the screws in without the shield, and then I had to go back and fix it. So yeah, I did make mistakes here. Please don't follow this. This is not a tutorial. And as you'll see in a few seconds, after I put the screen back in and turned the phone on, the home button worked just fine and I didn't get a Touch ID error. So yeah. So the reason I began to reassemble it is because I have to add the waterproof seal back to it. What you saw there is I forgot to put on the front adhesive, so that's what we're doing now. See how there's still blue on the screen? Yeah, I forgot to take the other side off the double-sided adhesive that holds down the screen. So you'll see that I struggled to put it back into place before realizing that I didn't remove the other side, so the adhesive is showing. Yay me! I then position the screen and screw in the penelope screws and test the phone, and it's working! Now, in order for the adhesive to hold its water resistance, it has to be heated up. So that's what I was doing there, and yeah. So as you can see, I have fixed the phone, and it's ready to give back to the owner. So yeah, I still have the thing on, which I'll probably leave up to the owner to take off, or I might actually remove it and clean it up. But anyways, the phone is fixed. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I love doing repair videos. I hope you like them as well. Anyways, see you in my next video.